Did you know that LangChain is native inside of n8n? For example, this question and answer chain is a LangChain node that facilitates AI-driven question answering workflows. Basically a Q&A node, if you will, that will connect to different language models and vector stores. Users can add the documents that they want to have as part of the chatbot memory, and then go ahead and query this using a chat interface. Within n8n, there are pre-built connectors to a variety of vector stores. You can see here that Pinecone, Postgres, Quadrant, Supabase, Zep are available. And in this example, I'm using Quadrant. I was able to set up an account for free. They have a pretty robust free account available for you to test things out. And you just need to have the cluster URL as well as the API key to connect to it. And in order to upload a document, one of the triggers within n8n is a form submission where there is a form ready to go that will connect to the vector store in this case and be able to submit a variety of files. You can set that in the settings, and that'll go straight into the vector store ready to query once you're using the chat interface for the chatbot. And here we have the actual workflow that achieves the chatbot itself. The top portion is the chatbot trigger and interface where it's accessing the vector store. And then the bottom workflow here is the document submission interface to be able to create the vector store content for the chatbot. So in this example, I'm just using the form submission, but the chat trigger for the top workflow can also accept file uploads as part of the chat query. So you can do a lot of different things within this LangChain node, but for this example, I separated the two so that there will be a form submission of a variety of documents that'll go into the vector store, and then the chat interface will just interface with that data to be able to either answer questions regarding knowledge base, or maybe it's a customer support chatbot that allows potential customers to ask questions about your company, brand, or product. All right, let me know if you have questions.